Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. This is Deepshika and it is your EVS period. Our today's topic is types of transport. Means of transport are very important in our life. If there were no means of transport, how would we go somewhere? Or how would we transfer our goods? If I want to go from one place to another, how will I go? I can walk or I can run. But what will I do if I want to go very far? I can use bicycle or auto rickshaw. I can also go by scooter, bus or car for a longer distance. I can also use train, bus or car if I want to travel from one city to another city. We use bullock carts, tongas, bicycles and tractors in villages. So children, there are mainly three means of transport: land transport, air transport and water transport. Means of transport. So first is land transport. Second is air transport. And third is water transport. Means of transport: land transport, air transport and water transport. Now let us discuss each one of them in detail. Land transport. Car, bus, train, van, truck, rickshaw, scooter, bicycles are the example of land transport. These vehicles move on the wheels. These vehicles can go everywhere on the land. This is the most common method of transport. We use these vehicles mostly every day. Bus stops at bus stop. Train runs on railway track and stops at railway station. Truck is used for goods transport. Now let us have a look on some of the examples of land transport.
Good morning. Cycle is the healthiest means of transport and you should also ride it every morning. Motorbike and it is also a land transport. Tempo and it is also a land transport.
Rickshaw, car, and van. All these are also examples of land transport. Water transport. Ships, boats, Ferries, yacht and steamers are the examples of water transport. Water vehicles stop at harbour. We use these vehicles since our ancient times. This is the slowest means of transport, and friends, do you know we use big ships for good transport. Now let us have a look on some of the examples of water transport. Air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the examples of air transport. This means of transport is the fastest means of transport, but also it is costly. We use this means of transport to travel from one country to other country. Now let us have a look on some of the examples of air transport. Points to remember. We need means of transport to travel from one place to another. There are mainly three means of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. We use land transport in our day-to-day life, like to go to market, school, temple, etc. Air transport is the fastest means of transport and water transport is the slowest means of transport. Match the column. Children, on one side I have written three means of transport and on the other side I have written the examples of means of transport. You have to match the means of transport with their examples. First is land transport. So you have to tell me among these which are the examples of land transport. Aeroplane? No. Boat? No. Car and bus? Yes. So example of land transport, car and bus. Next is air transport. Air transport, children, aeroplanes and helicopter? Yes. So example of air transport is aeroplane and helicopter. Last is water transport. Example of water transport is boat and ship. So you have to match. Okay children, that's all for today. Now we are going to meet in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and keep revising the chapter Types of Transport. Bye bye.